And action.
Hi, it's Mom and Aiden, and we're here to play a puppet show. What's your name?
I'm Boss the Bluebird.
Hi, how are you? I'm Vincent Van Gogh.
Yeah, you are.
I like your beak, it's orange.
Yep. And I have wings. And I have feathers.
You have feathers? There they are.
Yep.
Your body is yellow.
Yeah.
What does a bird say?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Ooh, I like that.
What about you?
I'm a goat. Do you want to hear what a goat says?
Sure.
Ba, ba, ba. Do you want to dance?
Yeah. How about if we draw?
Okay.
And do you want to put in birds of prey?
Do you want to what? Hold on.
Here's the marker for you, Vincent.
Okay.
Now watch this. I'm gonna draw a tree.
Good job. What do you want me to draw?
A house.
A house?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank
All done?
you. Yeah.
Okay.
We should check out the flashlight that Aiden got for his birthday.
Okay. Wow, that's a fancy flashlight.
You can turn on the switch. And look for bugs.
Yeah, good light. I like that a lot. What else does it do? Anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, just looks for bugs.
Yeah.
I see you have a Nintendo game. Is that Aiden's Nintendo game?
Yeah. I'm gonna show the toy.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wow, that's a cool toy. You got that from McDonald's? Did Aiden get that from McDonald's?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. We will have a good day. And you too, Vincent. I have to go now. Bye.
Can I have a hug?
Sure.
How about a kiss?
Mwah. Mwah. I'm gonna go home now. Bye.
Bye-bye.